Hi, my name is Karen Andrea Diaz. Creating. Edit speaking activity. You will record a video. You will ask advice to five people about how to learn a foreign language. Example. Mary, you should travel abroad. In Mary's I should travel abroad. You can You can usar mode or your webcam of the video file in your Ariandina account drive. Number 1. Angela, I shall learn 4 words in English every morning. Angela said I shall learn 4 English words every morning. Number 2. Laura, you should feed your best way of learning. Laura said I should feed my pets. Why to learn? Number 3. Angie, you should watch movies or series and listening to music in English. Angie said I should watch movies or series and listening to music in English. Number 4. Juan, you should chant the language of your phone. Once I should chant the language of my phone. Number 5. Natalia, you should watch the YouTube videos in English. Natalia says I should watch the YouTube videos in English. Bye.